and welcome back to my channel. It's a vlog day. I'm off to London. I've got a couple of things lined up and I thought I will take you guys with me because I haven't done a vlog for a couple of weeks. So let's get going. I'm just about ready and I am gonna start the vlog with some breakfast because before I go I need to have some breakfast and then leave. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button. Let's go. So I have just made some eggs and I had some pulao left over from dinner last night. So I've made like a pulao, mashed eggs, some kind of a thing. I've heated it up together and this is what I am having for breakfast. So this was the pulao from last night, onion peas pulao, and I literally just cooked some eggs and added to the rice. And obviously usually I eat eggs with bread, but I had rice to use and I love onion pulao, so I thought I'll make a nice combination of egg and rice. And I've added some chili garlic oil to it. Always hits the spot. So I am all ready, but before I go I am just making some pasta for the family and I'm just going to have a coffee. I'm also going to have some toast because this is my lunch. So I finished everything, I did some work and now I'm all set for London, but not before I get their dinner ready. So here is some pasta cooking and it's basically a mushroom leek pasta, just a mushroom leek with salt, pepper and a little bit of olive oil. It smells amazing. This just gets finished with a little good amount of double cream and I'm going to add some of the pasta cooking water in it in a minute, and then that's going to be the pasta ready for their dinner. Doing the pasta this way, an Italian told me once that it's good because you carry some of the water while from the pasta pot to the pan, which obviously makes a nice lovely sauce. And just look at that. So I'm gonna cook this for a minute till like the sauce thickens up, and then they can reheat it in the evening and top it with lots of cheese of their choice. I've made the pasta, as you can tell. I've got my bag ready. I haven't got time to eat. I've got my another coffee before I go, and I'm just making some peanut toast to take with me because I can have a breather on the train and have my peanut butter on toast. So I have reached London. I've taken the underground and I'm going to see some friends. The Good Food magazine office. They've just opened a new kind of test kitchen / studio and I'm going to go catch up with them and at the same time get to see the studio. So that's where I am heading next, and of course I am taking you guys with me. This is the lovely Good Food test kitchen where they shoot their reels and video content. Fantastic, very well equipped. These are the Good Food covers over the last few months, and here is one of my recipes, a veg curry which I did for Good Food last autumn. Yeah. So I've had a lovely catch up with my friend and I also got to see the office and the studio, and I'm back at the station because I am going to have a very quick drink and a catch up with another friend. When I come to London I try and see some friends because otherwise I don't get to see them at all. So I'm just here looking for him at a pub. I'm gonna go find him now. Okay, so here I am. We've finished our drinks and my friend I'm catching up with is Ian! Hello. Do you recognize him? Well, it was a long time ago. It was a long time ago. I've had a lovely catch up with Ian and now I'm off to supper club. Sorry.
It's been great. It's been way too long.
It has been way too long.
We're gonna get together soon.
Yes. Right. So that was a lovely catch up. I haven't seen him for a few months. I think the last time I properly saw him was at my book launch in the summer. So it was so fantastic. There was so much to tell from both our sides. A much needed catch up. But now I've taken another train and I've come to my last stop of the day, which is a supper club. And to be extremely honest, I am very hungry and ready for a sit-down dinner. And when I'll tell you where I'm going, you know that it's going to be a good meal. So let me show you where I'm heading for my supper club. Just going to tell you a little bit about the supper club. Fantastic chef has teamed up with a very lovely, very good bean company, and the chef is cooking using the company's beans. I know it sounds very vague, but let me show you where I am, because I am super excited about this. I have arrived at the Ottolenghi restaurant for a supper club by Ottolenghi. I am inside Ottolenghi now. It's a whole spread of, oh, let me quickly show you. So this is their cake selection. Oh my god, look at that. Everything looks insane, fabulous. Look at that. And then of course they've got their savory stuff as well. And then they've got gift items, things you can buy for yourself. Oh my god, beautiful. Spices, wonderful. And Ottolenghi books, of course. But I'm here for the sub club, so I'm going to go back to the room. And here is Ottolenghi. And here is Amelia from the whole bean company. Ottolenghi getting ready for, hopefully telling us a little bit more about his supper club, what's happening, what we can expect. This is the menu, and I'm absolutely starving, which is a good thing because I'm sure there'll be delicious food. Can't wait to sit down and enjoy some. Here I am.
I also want to talk a little bit about our short journey together with boiled beans and with the help of Waitrose. So I have cooked with black chickpeas before. I've met Amelia, but I've been introduced to those incredible chickpeas that you guys jar.
Thank you so much. It is such an honour and such an amazing moment being here. I'm still sort of pinching myself, like standing here right now. But thank you so much for everyone coming. And I want to explain a little bit about boiled bean and arriving at this incredible product, the coffee black chickpea. So my background was working in food sustainability. I worked connecting chefs and restaurants to farmers, growers and producers, and during this time I came to understand a lot of our food system issues like food security, our need to reduce meat, diversity, all of these things, and every single path led me to beans. I became bean obsessed. Beans are nitrate fixing plants, which means they naturally regenerate the soil with nitrates, which means you don't need to use as many fertilizers, so they're fundamental in regenerative agriculture. They're also one of the most diverse food groups we have.
So these are yogurty butter beans, pistachio daca and peas. That's the black and white hummus, garam masala and cauliflower, and pita flatbreads.
That's one of the best salads.
Some of the salad, pineapple margarita. So that was a fabulous meal. I have to say I stuffed myself with the starters because that hummus and the, I love a roast cauliflower. It was incredible and mains were great. Sadly, I could not stay for the dessert because, as always, I have to catch the train back home. So not to worry, nothing to lose. I got myself a little takeaway bag of dessert, which I might eat on the train or might go home and have it because I am stuffed. So off I go back home with my little goodie bag. Let me go home and show you what's in the goodie bag, and let me show you the look of my dessert. I just wanted to quickly show you the goodie bag that I got from the event from Bold Beans. That's the company, and Bean Obsessed. You heard the lady tell about her obsession with bean and why she started it. And I've got the Queen chickpeas, which I use a lot. And this is their new product, Queen black chickpeas. And it's a really beautiful bag as well. I'm excited to try that. Also want to say that I've got my dessert in here, which I'm gonna get out now and open it. Here is the dessert. For some reason I always have some wooden cutlery in my bag for situations like this. Oh, there we go. Oh wow, oh I see. Oh my god, thank god I've got a little spoon to enjoy this right now. Look at that. That is actually a burnt honey, orange syrup, pistachio sugar. It's a mahalabea. And look, I've run into some friends. Right, so it's almost midnight, but I'm home. As you can see, the video is very blurry because it's very dark and very late, but I had a great day. Lovely catching up with friends, and let me try and get some light. The street lights are off too. There is some light in the middle of the road. Anyway, so it was a lovely day catching up with friends, and the day ended with the amazing meal. I didn't eat the pudding. I still have it. I might have it for breakfast tomorrow, but thanks for joining me in this vlog today. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you with a new recipe very soon. Bye for now.